Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll try to understand how we can remove items from an array. There are namely two methods, remove and pop. Now, we know Python are mutable sequence, which means operations like adding is available. So same way, removing also exists. So we can remove an element from an array by specifying its value or position within a given array. The array module defines two methods, which we have seen earlier as well individually, which you can get into by checking my earlier videos. Um, the two methods are remove and pop. A remove method removes the element by value, whereas pop method removes item based on the position or the indexing of the array. Yeah. So we know Python does not have a built-in support for arrays. So we have the array module, which we'll use to remove certain items from an array. Yeah. So let's start by first trying to understand how we can remove item using the remove method. So using the remove method, let me get the formatting. Remove method. Yeah. So to remove the first occurrence of a given value from an array, use remove method. This method accepts element and removes it if the element is available in the array. So if there are multiple occurrences of the same element, it will only check for the first occurrence and it will remove that item. So let me quickly run you through an example. So import array as array name, remove. Suppose I have multiple occurrence of 3. Yeah, let me put it this way. Yeah, so I have 3,333 multiple times in this array, and I want to remove this item from the array. Yeah, so original array and after uh, remove method array. Yeah. So if I try to remove this 333, let's see what is the output that is give and what is the final array that we have in hand. So initially we had the occurrence of 333 twice in this particular array, my original array. Whereas in the second, which is after applying this remove method, I have only one occurrence. So it has deleted the first occurrence that he had seen. So this was the first occurrence, which it has removed and it has updated the array accordingly. Yeah. Now you need to remember, this is very specific. You need to remember this is based on value. So you need to specify the value of the item within the array, not the index number, in order to get rid of that particular value. So remove method is used to specifically remove the value from that array. Next method that we see is pop. So this will use the index position. So pop method. So to remove an array element from a specific index, use pop method. Now this method removes an element at the specified index from the array and returns the element at ith position for after removal. Yeah, I'll show that how it happens. Suppose I want to remove, let me use the same example that we have used earlier. We are using pop this time, but we have to specify the index. So 333 is at second index. So I have specified the index number, and we are running it. Line pop method on array. Yeah. So let's see if it is able to remove. Yeah. So I've got the same output, but using the pop method, but this time using the index value of the array. Yeah. So as I said, there are various ways in which you can remove items within the array. There are two methods, remove and pop specifically, and there are various use cases to it based on what information you have in hand, whether you have value of that array, value of the item in the array, or you have the index number. Yeah. Hope you understood how this operation works to remove a particular item from an array. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views on this video, or if you have your personal inputs, which will help my viewers to learn something new. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel because this will help you to get my videos directly to your. Thank you so much.